Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are you looking at? Well, we are going to change the cabin filter on a 2021 Cayenne GTS. So a couple little changes from past. You'll notice that now the filter kind of bends. Here's the old one, came out. It's got a nice bend in it. Comes flat, but it bends. The other piece of information that you'll need, in addition to these little normal finger tight screws, you've got two 8mm heads, and they live here and here, and you got to pop those out. And then the other part is getting the connectors off of the board here, because you're going to need all the room. With this one, you can see that it's a squeezy connector, but the easiest thing to do is just kind of put a little tiny screwdriver in the center slot here, and you can push that guy out. And then this guy over here, the blue connector stays on and the black connector comes off. What's weird about it is that the blue connector has a little catch at the bottom. You can't get to it. So if you use like a tiny little screwdriver and very gently back it out. But airflow is towards the interior of the car. So when you push this guy up, and then his holder that goes under him is just held on with these finger pieces. So you got 1, 2, hang on, 3, 4, and 5, and then this is the hook side, so you don't want to break that. But no screws hold this guy on, and he kind of just goes up underneath there. So anyway, I didn't see a bunch of stuff out there on the 2021s yet, so I figured I'd put a little teaser out there. Yes, the connectors can come off without breaking them. And here you can see the little brass areas. That's where those two little 8mm screws go. All right, let's see if we can get this with one hand. But you can see how this guy kind of just goes in there square. And you can see the little tab that's on the back here. So when you're taking this apart, it's definitely gonna feel like it doesn't want to come apart, but it will absolutely 100% slide out without breaking anything. Same thing for the other side. That's your little footwell light. You slide it right in there, and let's see if we can get this guy to pop in so that you guys don't think that I'm lying to you. And there you go. All right, so she's wedged in there pretty good, but the black part comes out, the blue part stays on. And then on this one, what I was talking about is once you get her slid in there like that, it's a little tough to get your finger between those two things. So right there on the bottom here, you can see that little yellow tab, and just kind of take a small screwdriver, and if you just push right there, push out, right, and then this guy will pop right out. All right, thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.